Hi ladies, welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Mercy, and in my channel I do homemaking videos, natural hair care videos, and eye health videos. So consider subscribing to join this amazing family with me. So this morning I've woken up to start off my day with a prayer to my creator. I usually do this because I am so grateful for the wonderful things God has done in my life and in my family all together. Today is a very beautiful day. It is sunny outside. The sky is very blue and beautiful. Everything out is just amazing. So why not start my day with worshiping God and being thankful to Him? I usually write my list of gratitude every day, no matter what, because I know each and every day there is at least something that I am grateful for that God has done in my life. So I do this every day. I can't forget to be grateful. I also appreciate the people that I'm grateful for whatever they've done in my life, even as light as the smallest bit of anything that they have done, either just to greet me or to wish me a good message. I I am always very grateful for it. Yeah, I learned to have a grateful heart, and I have trained myself this way all along. So it is always very important to me, and you can also try this out. No matter what you're going through, no matter the hardships, think about one thing that you're grateful for that day and start your life there. There is a very, very unique or a very special thing about gratitude. A grateful heart, an appreciating heart always attracts so many beautiful and good things to life. So, yeah, this morning I have a number of things that I'm grateful for. And after worshiping God in a song that always touches my heart and pours out my spirit to God, I go ahead and list lots of gratitude things unto my God, just to show Him how appreciative I am about life. It is always a very beautiful thing to do that. I also lift my family before God, and I say my affirmations in the morning. Yeah, my positive affirmations, I do say them in the morning, and it is really a beautiful thing. So I want to go ahead and start the washing because I have already organized my laundry. I just want to start off. I'll be kind of multitasking. I'll be washing as well as cooking lunch for the children. Yeah, because I am a homemaker, I have no maid, I do everything for myself. So as I set the machine to wash, I will go ahead and be doing the cooking as well. I will be cooking some rice and cabbage. This is the simplest meal that I can cook when I'm doing laundry, because it really cooks so fast and it is easy to set it and start cooking. So I'll be cooking at the same time checking on the machine. Yeah, so while I'm doing this, um, the machine is washing the clothes. So put in some water, I'm putting in some oil so that the rice does not stick on the bottom of the saucepan. So basically that. So I'll be going to wash this rice. This is something that I have learned to do every time I cook rice. Yeah, most people do not wash rice. They simply salt it or they simply boil it. But I do wash my rice. Rice really has a lot of starch. You can see how milky that water is. That is all starch. And starch is a carbohydrate. Yeah, we all know a lot. Too much carbs in the body give you a lot of body weight, especially if you're eating it more often and yeah, you are not exercising enough or you are not just balancing your food and what you can gain some weight over time. So I do wash my rice several times until I see the water is clear. So water here is boiling and we are going to go ahead and put in the rice and then allow our rice to cook slowly on a low heat until it's ready. So let's get this cabbage sliced and we cook it as well.
What is that? Put back. Right. Right. Right.
Mommy, that's open. Mommy, getting us open now.
That is right. You take right to the sitting room.
It's
You go the other side. You go. Go to the sitting room.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
With this machine, I can wash and spin at the same time, which is really a time saver. So while I'm spinning the clothes on the spinning side, I can still select to wash on the washing side. So this is really beautiful. Meanwhile, let me have my lunch. I'm really super hungry and I simply need to have this lunch. So my lunch is done and my washing is also done. I'm picking clothes to go and hang. It has been a long day, but I'm so happy that I'm done with the laundry and everything is just beautiful. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below.